In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create polls using Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional poll ready to share and collect responses in minutes. Start by opening the Google Forms homepage. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see your recent forms and some templates. This is your starting point for everything you'll build. We're keeping things simple and focused on a poll, so you don't need a template for this. Click the blank option to start a brand new form. This gives you a fresh canvas with a single question ready to edit. At the top, give your form a clear title like Weekly Team Poll or Event Preference, and add a short description if you want to explain the purpose or who should respond. A clear title helps respondents trust the poll and answer confidently. Now, set up the poll the way you prefer. Click into the first question field and type your question, such as which date works best or what feature should we build next. On the right side of the question, use the drop-down to choose the answer type. For most polls, multiple choice is perfect when you want one winner. Choose checkboxes if people can pick more than one option. You can also use drop-down if you want a compact, single-choice list. Type each option into its own line and use Add option to include more choices. If it makes sense, you can add an Other option so respondents can write in their own answer. Before you move on, decide if the question is required by toggling the required switch at the bottom. This prevents people from skipping it. If your poll needs only one question, you're set. If you want to ask a second, click the plus icon to add another question and repeat the same process. Take a moment to check the details before you publish. Review the title, question wording, spelling, and the order of options. Click Preview to see exactly what responders will experience and test a quick submission. In Settings, you can choose whether to collect email addresses, limit to one response per person, or show a progress bar, useful options if you need cleaner data. When everything looks right, click Send to share your poll. You can copy the link, email it directly, or grab an embed code if you're placing it on a website. That's it. You've created a clear, easy-to-answer poll in Google Forms, and you're ready to gather insights fast.